There you go. Good headwind. Yeah, that's what you can see pretty good.
The nav lights help.
They help a lot. It's a little weird right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're good though.
So when you bring in your flaps, are you about half throttle when you do it?
Yes.
See, that's what I just wanted to practice, is seeing what the flaps were like.
Yeah. As long as you keep it banked though, you can see okay. Oh, they went down a lot.
Yeah, no, I accidentally.
Looks good. Just don't forget to keep that speed up. There's just a little bit of lag with it. There's a flicker, yeah.
Okay, this time I'm just going to do a gear pass. Fly with it.
Okay. Give it a little bit more power. There you go. Because it does slow down just by the gear coming out.
Okay, to me, this seems pretty fast, especially for half flap.
Yeah. Oh, your flaps are down?
Yeah.
Okay. But you need it just in case you got to get on the throttle. There you go. There you go. Motor up. There you go. Let it sink in. A little more, a little more. There you go.
Alright, going around. Alright.
There you go. Make your turn a little sooner. There you go. Power. There you go. Let it down. There you go. That's it.
Sweet.
Keeps you on your toes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That was good. Especially, what is that, your second flight or third? Yeah, that's good. No, you're doing good. But you see what I mean by it pitching up?
Yeah. And it, without having the light, even with the nose lights
Yeah.
and stuff and everything, it's still a little bit hard.
Yeah, yeah. Cool. Good job.